Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to fix the VSS error code 0x8004231f on Windows 11 and Windows 10. To fix this error, click on the Start menu. Type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. From this list, find the service, which name is Volume Shadow Copy. Double-click on it. Now click on the Start. Click on OK. If it didn't resolve the issue, then you need to increase shadow storage space. Click on the Start menu. Type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, right-click on it. Click on the Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After opening the command prompt, copy and paste this command into the command prompt. This command helps you to check your shadow storage space. Press Enter. Now copy and paste this command into the command prompt. You can change 12 GB with the amount of space you want to allocate. Press Enter. Both commands are available under the description. To check the space, enter the first command, and press Enter. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.